This is Matrixlord 212 for the Real Whovians Cast Extra number 19. Okay, I'm going to show you, I forgot to show off one Titan that I bought that was open. No surprise, I just wanted to have because I didn't think I was ever going to be able to get him. So I'm going to show that to you on top of the fridge. Alright, here we go. Okay, so today I bought the Zygon figure, $9.99, which was cheaper than even the other ones. It was open. But these are my guys on the fridge. Don't mind the elf. I know he's not Doctor Who. I don't know, Spider-Man's not part of that either, but these are... This is my favorite one right there. The Clara with the Raven. And there's Santa. And then there's... So cool if you think about it. If you can see, there's so many up there. Man, it looks so cool. And I got my TARDIS locker back there. And what fell? Oh, the Sycorax. Right. There we go. So cool. Oh no. What's going on back there? So, it's so cool if you think about it. Where these guys look. There's another, if I move River. Oh, look at that, Missy. That's so cool. Yeah, I'll put River there. Is that right? So we could see Missy behind it. That's cool. Where's Rassilon? It's cool stuff. It's really nice having all these Titans. That's for sure. See Captain Jack. Oh my God, Christmas Invasion. They both on the ground. Cool. Alright guys, there you go.